Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the lock screen wallpaper on Vivo Y28. To do it, just go to Settings app, then go to Lock Screen and Wallpaper, then click on Wallpaper, and now you can select one from these or click here to select one from your photos. And now you can select a photo that you want to set as your wallpaper. You can crop it, as you can see, resize it. I'm gonna crop it like that. You can change it for home screen and for lock screen. You can click whether you want to set it as home screen wallpaper, lock screen wallpaper, or both. I'm gonna set it as lock screen wallpaper, then click here to approve, and now the lock screen wallpaper has been changed. You can see that home screen is unchanged and the lock screen has my new wallpaper. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.